Hi there. So we have another unboxing, this time of a Wera Stubby with Magazin. So let's open it up. Okay, look at this cute little thing. So let's see what's in the box. Is this a sticker? No, don't think it's a sticker. So, Tool Rebels. What's more inside? That's it. There's nothing left inside the box. So the stubby, how does it work? It goes in, and when you need it, you can pull it out. Hang on, let me check. How does this work? Pull or push? I think it's a pull. Yeah, it's a pull. Okay, got it. So closed and pull. So what do we get? Let's see. There's a Phillips 1, number 2, Posy 1, Posy 2, flat, small one, a big one. So it's a magnetic chuck. You can see it pulls in. Voila! It's a solid magnet, and this is how it feels in your hand. Yeah, it's your pocket screwdriver. Can't get any better than this. So that's it for this unboxing and first impression. It's a Wera, so yeah, you don't need testing, it's always good. Okay, let's see how to get it in from the side. Like this. That's how you get it in. Okay, done. Up to the next one.